This appears to be the most asked question, so today I'm going to show you how to make payments through the housing portal. The best thing about this is that you can literally make payments from your bedroom. Let's head to the Green River website first of all, and we're just going to search for student housing and click the first one. And then the Campus Corner Apartments main website is going to pop up. And then just right here on the side right here, you have your quick links, which we're going to select MyHousing Login. If you haven't registered, you want to register for it. So you just click register now, and you get all of this. We're just going to fill in our email. So what you want to do is use your Green River email or the email that you check the most. You fill all of this stuff out, and when you get to the part that says unit, you want to click the apartment that you're living in currently. If you have moved out of CCA already, what you want to do is select the apartment that you lived in previously, and under here where it says comments, you want to write there is no apartment in J2A, but just as an example. And when you're done filling all of this out, you just hit register. And it takes about maybe a day or so for you to get approved to be on the website. Sometimes it's not a whole day. When you actually get approved to be on the site, you don't get an email, so you have to check back. So once we've registered, we can come back here and just sign in. And then you get to your own personal housing portal page. This is what you want to take your time and read. You see your current balance, like here it says, it shows my current balance. So you can make a one-time payment, or you can actually schedule a payment. So say I want to schedule a payment, I just click manage schedule payments, and I can fill all of this stuff out and how much would need to be taken out of my account on the scheduled date. But if you're making a one-time payment, all you need to do is just make a one-time payment. Then you're directed to this site right here, and you just fill out your bank details here, and you click continue. I hope you found this helpful. Do comment any questions down below, and let's get your questions answered.